part of the beautiful ground crew. Brett's going to be helping me in a few years.
That's right.
We'll let him get a little bigger. So, the story continues. The tire shop was nice enough to fix a nail hole in my tire this morning for free. And they told me that one of my lug nuts broke off. You know, or I should say one of the wheel studs broke off in the lug nut, right? That's what happened. So I got another wheel stud and got that installed. But while I was putting things back together, I broke off another one. So I'm going to do the best thing I can and replace them all. Apparently this is pretty common with Subaru wheel studs, and I don't know, you know, I haven't done enough research to know if anybody has figured out why, or, you know, but the why doesn't matter. I just got to fix it. So let's do it. P.S. I'm sorry I missed the exciting part of using the Milwaukee impact wrench to break this wheel stud, because, you know, I couldn't do it by hand. Okay, I didn't start filming until after we got back from the store with 4 more wheel studs and lug nuts, so I didn't show jacking up the car, taking the wheel off with a 19mm socket, or taking the brake caliper off with a 14mm socket. Obviously, don't hang the caliper by the brake lines. Take the rotor off, use a hammer to knock out the old studs, and then pull in new studs. You'll need some washers to take up the space the wheel normally would. I also used the old lug nuts so that, you know, I could throw them away when I'm done. And the impact wrench is really nice for this. God, this job would suck without one, just saying. Yep. Nothing, I'll just let the brake line hang onto it for a little while. You know, it's good decisions. To replace the caliper, I used blue Loctite, since red and green are designed to be never come off juice. I've had one of these bolts come out on a different vehicle, and so has my dad. What happens is when you hit the brakes, the caliper twists and hits the inside of your wheel, so that locks the wheel up. It's not fun. Yeah, so use some Loctite. Maybe I should have impacted it a little more with the Milwaukee. Oh. Parking brake.
You just took it off 6 hours ago.
Don't try to torque the lug nuts with the car in the air, because your car might fall off the jack, especially if you chose not to use a jack stand. We're done!
Oh, you haven't taken for test drive yet. I want to put the stop sign and then your tire faster than you.
Exactly. And the tire just goes. What was that? Oh, that's
You see it rolling down the hill?
Exactly. Exactly.
88.5. Yeah. It's that precise. And the most important part of any project, tell me what I did right or wrong in the comments, subscribe, and also clean up after yourself. The end.